Hi, I'm Miriam Joy. Welcome to my studio. Today's on our quick tips. We're going to talk about leather and suede, and I'm going to show you some other options on how to purchase them, kind of rather inexpensive. So as you can see in this one here, we have kind of a yellowish background, and I wanted to talk to you about suede and leather and how to get them kind of more affordable. Right now prices are really low, so it's kind of nice, but you can do leather or suede. Like this black one is a really nice piece that I like using, and that kind of fades into the background, so that's really nice. I've also got some bigger pieces of leather that were from a jacket manufacturer, and these were their scraps. And you can use both sides. We've got the darker, and then we've got the lighter. I think I like the darker better on that. But I also want you to think about going to the thrift store and buying. This guy that I did before was actually a vest. This one is pants or a skirt, a suede, and look at the blue on that. And then we also have a red, which I think I'm going to use. And a lot of the clothing are usually one price, probably $2.50 for this, and I've used it for several projects, so think about that. Another place, if you can't find any of that, is look at your craft stores, and they will sometimes have pieces of leather that are big enough. This isn't quite big enough, but they may have a little bit bigger if you needed to. Another suggestion I wanted to give you, if all else fails and you can't find a big enough piece, suede or leather, go to Walmart or Joann's and look for the faux leather or suede, or what they would use kind of in cars to do car seats or different things like that. You can purchase a fourth of a yard. You can do a half yard. You don't have to do a whole big section, so your price really comes down, and then you use your 40-50% coupon off, and there you go. You'll have that real inexpensive. So I hope you enjoyed our quick tip today. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share our videos so that we can continue to grow. Thank you, and God bless.